Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your Canva password in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Click Login, then enter the email address associated with your Canva account and click Continue. If your account uses a password, click Forgot Password. Canva will ask you to confirm your email address. Click Send Reset Link. Now open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from Canva. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click Reset Password. Enter your new password, confirm it by typing it again, and then click Update Password or Reset Password. Once the password has been updated successfully, return to Canva and sign in using your new password. Important: if Canva signs you in using an email verification code or a magic link instead of asking for a password, your account may not use a password at all. In that case, there may not be a forgot password option because you log in through email verification instead. That's it. Your Canva password has now been reset successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides.